Good morning, students. Welcome to this first class. So that is improper integrals. Okay. Before starting this, some very important definitions are there. Please concentrate on that. Okay. So this unit totally depends upon integration only. Okay. So already we have studied in a sequence. So that is last semester. So what is mean by a bounded function? Okay. Bounded function means what? A function f of ab tends to R, there exist an intervals, that is small m and capital M. So this is lower bound and this is upper bound, such that bounded function is represented like this, that is f of x, which lies in between lower bound and upper bound. Okay, so that is m is less than or equals to f of x, so this stands for lower bound, and f of x is less than or equals to m, so this stands for upper bound. Okay, if you put modulus, so modulus stands for minus m and plus m, so that is lower bound and upper bound. It is also represented as a modulus of f of x is less than or equals to m. For every x must belongs to that interval ab, closed interval ab. Okay, so this is bounded function. So improper integrals, so finite and infinite intervals. First let us come to know what is meant by a finite and infinite intervals. Just see here, this is closed interval, this is closed interval, and this is open interval. Okay, closed interval AB, closed interval A and open interval B. So this is totally open intervals A and B. This is finite or bounded. When you say that it is finite or bounded, if only A and B are finite, both the intervals A and B, that is lower bound and upper bound, when these two are bounded, then only it is a finite or bounded function. Okay, so that is said to be a finite interval. Okay, infinite interval, say either lower bound or upper bound, or both upper bound and lower bound may be infinity. See here upper bound is infinity, lower bound is infinity, unbounded. Here both are unbounded, that is infinite or unbounded, such it is termed as infinite intervals. Is it clear? Finite means both the lower bound and upper bound should be finite. Infinite intervals means either lower bound or upper bound, or both the lower bound and upper bounds must be infinity. It is said to be infinite intervals. Topic itself is improper integrals. Before that, let us come to know what is meant by a proper integral. Before come to improper, first you know that what is a proper integral. What is this? Say integration, that is integration f of x with respect to x, lower bound and upper bound. If you replace this function of a integral by lower bound and upper bound, it is a definite integral. If this definite integral, when you say that it is a proper, if the intervals a b are finite, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ, intervals a ಮತ್ತು b ಏನಿರಬೇಕು, finite values ಇರಬೇಕು, and also that function itself is bounded in the closed interval ab. Function bounded ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, intervals ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ finite, then only it is said to be a proper integrals. But you are studying improper integrals. First you understand the definition, what is a proper and what is improper. Okay, proper means intervals are finite values, function is bounded. You have already learned these examples in BSc second semester, first semester and PUC itself. Okay, now you are studying improper integrals. Let us come to know what is meant by improper integrals. For this definite integral a to b f of x with respect to x, we say that this function is improper. When it is improper, that closed interval a b is infinite. Infinite means either lower bound or upper bound, or both the bounds should be infinity. So like this, that intervals must be infinite, and the function itself is unbounded on the given interval ab. What is meant by unbounded? Already bounded definition is given. On substituting these intervals in that given function, it tends to an infinity. So it is said to be unbounded. Okay. If it is unbounded and infinity, so it is said to be improper integrals. Okay. Let us, our syllabus starts from this term. So that is improper integrals. Okay. In this improper integrals, three different kinds are there. Let us see one by one. Okay.